Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabe. I welcome you to Vegetative Reproduction in Runners Strawberry. Plants such as strawberries have very short stems called rootstock with thin scale leaves. So let us look at our strawberry here. When you look at this strawberry here, it has got the short stem, and this short stem is what we are calling a rootstock. Then on the sides, it has buds. Those ones on the sides, we call them the lateral bud. Then on the top of the short stem, there is a bud, and that bud we call it the terminal bud. Now, these ones where the buds are coming from, these we call them the scale leaves. So plants such as strawberries, they have short stems which are called rootstock, and with a thin scale leaves. These ones that we are seeing pointed, those are scale leaves. Foliage leaves and flowers grow from the buds in the axial of the scale leaves. So our leaves, the ones that we are seeing here, they grow from the axial. The axial is that point between the stem and the leaf, the axial of the scale leaves. These are our scale leaves here. Those are the scale leaves. But in their axial here, it's where we have the foliage leaves and the flowers coming from those points there, which we call the axials. It's where the flowers and the foliage leaves are coming from. Some of the lower buds, they produce shoots which grow horizontally over the surface of the ground and bear scale leaves and buds. So if you look here, let's go back here and we see on our leaf here, our strawberry here, you will see that there are these lower buds. The lower buds are the ones and in the lower leaves here. These lower buds, they produce lateral buds which sprout to form runners. They end up forming runners. Now when you come to this one, you will see that it has got a runner which has grown and it went back and touched on the ground at the node, at the internode, the node, and there it developed another bud which now produces scale leaves and buds. So here now it is producing another new plantlet at the point here where it had got the scale leaves and the buds. The terminal buds of these runners turn up and produce daughter plants some distance away from the parent, and the new plants developing adventitious roots. So we have the runners. We have the runner, this runner which is coming from this parent. They grow up somewhere and they develop terminal buds. Then those terminal buds, they turn up and produce daughter plants a distance away from the parent. and a new plant develops adventitious roots. That's what we are seeing there. You can see that from a short distance away, the runner is going to develop the terminal buds, which are going to move upwards, and then they will develop into a new plant. And now at the bottom, they are going to develop into adventitious roots. Later, the runners slip away. Later on, these runners are going to slip away. Now, when a runner slips away, of course, it is going to break away. Now, these two plants are going to be separated. Runners conduct food from the parent plant to the daughters until they are well developed. So these runners will conduct food from the other side, bring it this side to the daughters until when the daughters are fully developed. By fully developed, it means that now they can carry out their own photosynthesis. And if they can carry out their own photosynthesis, it means now they can make their own food. So they can be now separated from the parent. Hello, thank you very much for participating in vegetative reproduction in runners strawberry. Please do like, share, and subscribe.